Here we are, Luce Line, just about a mile and a half outside of Watertown, heading east, getting ready to go back. Beautiful country, very peaceful. Along this path there's also a horse path, kind of unique. I ran into one gal on a horse this morning. Anyway, well, I'm going to pick up when I get a little further down the road or going by a lake or some llamas or something. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm a little tired though. Already got 32 miles in. Had about 30 more to go. Awfully pretty. It's like this the whole way. Very nice lake right out here in the middle of nowhere. And of course the poor folks that live right across the road. Car's got to go out to them. Oh yeah. Coming up on a little bridge. Oh man, got a little traffic here. Just for you, Andrea Miller, this is a llama crossing right on the Luce Line. Oh, those poor folks. How can they live in such squalor? Don't see any llamas. Kind of a cool little spot here, huh? Light at the end of the tunnel. Yep. Oh, why is that a country club? This is where the beautiful people are. Both sides of the path. My, my, my. I have to be careful not to run into a cart. Oh yeah. They're out today. Okay, this is what a guy that just rode 60 miles looks like. I don't think you can really grasp how he feels, but this is what he looks like. Talk to you. He's home.